Morning, gang. Topless Rob here. We're not drinking beer. We're not drinking any alcohol. We're playing with our new toy, our new little friend here. So it's brand new, and we haven't made too many cups with it yet. We're trying to figure out how it works. And I'm thinking that instead of using the double shot function, we just want to use 2 single shots. So that's what I'm trying here. But got my milk, pre-steamed, which is nice. So let's see how we go. All right. I don't know if you can. We got a nice little crema happening there. But let's have a pour. All right. Let's have a taste. It's a little weak, but we're getting there. It's a learning process. Anyway, enjoy.